Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to pan and zoom in on images using video in Canva. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and add an image to your canvas. You can choose one from the Elements tab or upload your own image. Resize the image so it fills the entire canvas. If there's extra space around the edges, crop the image so it fits perfectly. Before adding the zoom effect, make sure the image quality is good. When zooming in, low resolution images may appear blurry. To improve quality, click Edit. Scroll down and use Canva's Image Upscaler. This tool enhances the image automatically. Once the enhancement is finished, click Replace to apply the improved version. Next, duplicate the page to start creating the zoom effect. On the second page, enlarge the image slightly and reposition it so the focus shifts to the part you want to highlight. For example, move the image to zoom in on a specific subject. You can also add text or labels. Go to Text, add a heading, and position it on the canvas. Adjust the font, size, color, and spacing to match your design. If needed, add shapes like rectangles behind the text for better visibility. Repeat the process by duplicating the page again and adjusting the image position to highlight another area. Each page creates a new zoom point. Lastly, duplicate the first image and drag it to the far right end for a seamless effect. Finally, set the duration for each page and add the match and move transition between pages. This creates a smooth pan and zoom animation when the video plays. So that's basically how you can pan and zoom in on images using video in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.